you're well and having the most incredible day. As always, welcome back to my channel, and I am obviously going to address the elephant in the room. I have changed my hair again. I get very bored of my hair. You guys know this. I feel like I was blonde for a very long time, and let's be honest, the copper trend drew me in. So I have copper hair now, whether it be copper or ginger, I don't really know. I have washed it twice, so it is fading quite a lot. So for any of you guys out there that also have copper ginger hair, please let me know down below your tips and tricks on products and stuff, like how to keep it vibrant. I did buy these Shrine drops that you mix them with conditioner, so I'm excited to try those. But yeah, obviously it's a little bit wishy-washy at the minute because I have washed it a few times. It was bleach blonde under this, so it is going to fade a little bit. But anyway, I've dyed my hair. I hope you like it. Also, sorry about the gammy plaster. I just cut myself and I don't know how I did that. My finger was just bleeding, so I've put a plaster on. Also, my nails are disgusting, and also I didn't upload a video for a week, and I am so sorry about that. I feel like, has it been a week? Has it been a week and a half? I don't even know, but October for me was absolutely insane. I pre-filmed pretty much every single video that I uploaded in October because I knew that every weekend of October I was going to be busy. So yeah, I hope you guys didn't mind that too much. I did basically pre-film everything, so yeah, basically I am back. Hallelujah, here we are. I have lots to film today, so you are going to see me wearing pretty much the same outfit and the gammy fingers and plaster for a few videos. I hope you guys don't mind. But anyway, I'm going to stop rambling because today's video is an exciting one. We are going to be unboxing the Lush kitchen subscription box for November. Can we believe that we are in November now? Absolutely ridiculous. I didn't upload an October favourites, which I feel like I hate the fact I've missed an upload for a favourites video, but there wasn't a lot I loved in October because I was here, there and everywhere in October. I had a wedding. I feel like that wasn't it, but I feel like I was just doing stuff every single weekend. It was insane. So anyway, November kitchen box. I have seen zero spoilers. I am so excited. I've basically saved people's videos of unboxing these in my watch later so I can watch them later, but I am so excited to unbox this. I have no idea what's inside. So without further ado, I am going to jump right in. I hope you guys enjoy and carry on watching. So the first things we have inside the box are these. We have some stickers and a little information card, which I won't actually read now because I feel like if it has anything to do with what's inside the box, I don't want to spoil it. So I am just going to pop those down, and now diving into the products. I am so excited to see what's in this box, so let's go. So the first thing we have, stop it. Stop it. Stop it. The first thing we have, guys, you're not going to be ready for this. Yog Nog body conditioner. Are you joking? Stop it right now. This is a dream item. Honestly, they should have made this years ago. So it says on the front, slip into a skin softening shower for a warm embrace of clove bud oil, heady ylang ylang and maple syrup water. I'm so excited to give this a smell, but before we do, let's go through the ingredients as always. So ingredients wise, we've got clove bud oil, ylang ylang, lippy butter, oat kernel oil, cocoa butter, shea butter, almond oil. Let's open it. I'm so excited. Okay. I mean, I know what it's going to smell like, but I'm still really excited about it. Do you know what I mean? Oh, look at that. Doesn't that look delish? Stop it now. That is heaven. That is absolutely ridiculous. Oh, it's literally like whipped caramel. It smells kind of like honeycomby. It like looks like honeycomb and smells like it. I am so excited to use this. Lush, you need to bring this out because this is delish. Anyway, moving on. 10 points already just for that alone. Next up we have, let's go for, oh, here we have a bottle, and this is, I'm gonna let you guys see it before I see it. Oh, okay, this is, I'm gonna pronounce it wrong, aren't I? Because I would read that as tie. Is that right? On the front of this one, it says enzymic fresh citrus combines with enlivening. Is that the word? Enlivening. Ginger and cinnamon for seriously brightening lathers. And ingredients wise in this one, we have got ginger root infusion, tangerine juice, cinnamon leaf oil, orange oil. I'm excited to smell it, but I really don't like the smell of ginger. So like fresh ginger, like don't get me wrong, I love a gingerbread man, but fresh ginger is not, it's not my vibe. Do you know what I mean? Anyway, let's give it a smell. Oh, they have not gone stingy with that. Let's smell it. Oh, look how thick it is. Wow, how exciting. Okay, this smells like Christmas. This went right up my nostril. Wait. We've definitely had something that smells like that before. It smells kind of like, not hot toddy. It's hard to describe it. It kind of smells like potpourri, like, you know, like a Christmas potpourri smell. It smells really good though, a very Christmas festive scent, which I am all for. I feel like I didn't expect this box to be Christmassy because it's a November box, but I am living for it. So that is the second item. So next up, let's dive in. I'm gonna pick up the last thing in a package before I go on to the naked items. So okay, from this box, I feel like, is this a perfume? Because last year, I think it was last year, yeah, it must have been, Lush released a 5 series perfume set, which was absolutely delish. I really enjoyed it. So are they going to do it again? I don't know. They didn't release any kind of packaging in this one, so let's open it up and see. If it's Yog Nog, I actually might lose it. I don't think it will be though, because we had the body conditioner, but okay, it looks perfumey. Let's have a look. Oh my God, I'm so excited. What is it? What is it? What is it? Stop. Stop it right now. I need a minute. I need a 3-minute silence. Oh, it's Yog Nog perfume. Stop. I don't want to waste it. Okay, we're going to do one spray because... Oh my God, stop it right now. Incred. That's delicious. That's insane. Insane. Lush. To you. 20 million points to you. Unreal. Yeah. It's so good. It's like really, really close to the shower gel, the body conditioner, but it has got a more perfumey fragrance to it, but it's still really sweet and caramelly. I hope that makes sense. That's delicious. Perfection. The box could stop here and it's still a 10 out of 10, but let's keep going. What else is in here? I feel like I need to sit down. I'm already sat down, but you know what I mean? Anyway. Oh, there's something glittery in here. I don't want to touch it. Let's go for the other thing because I feel like that's not glittery. So let's get the other thing out first. Ooh, okay. Oh, okay. I feel like we've had this before. Have we? Am I making this up? It's a little flame. How cute is that? This is the Fireball Bath Bomb, and ingredients wise, we have got citric acid, almond essential oil, orange oil, cinnamon leaf oil, cream of tartar, popping candy, mustard powder. How exciting. Okay, let's give it a smell. Does that smell? Wait. Is that cinders? Is that cinder smell? Cinder smell. Cinder scent. I'm blowing glitter everywhere. It smells like cinders to me. It's like a spicy, sweet. Oh, that's insane. Delish. I'm literally inhaling that. But that's unbelievable. Beautiful. How nice is that? It's like a really lovely kind of yellow outside, orange in the middle with a red centre. It has got glitter on it, which I think is from the other thing in the box. However, it might not be. Maybe it's full of glitter. I don't know, but delicious. It's a very Christmassy smell. I hope that makes sense. It's a very like cinnamony, like a sweet cinnamon smell. That's unbelievable. Oh, heaven. Delish. Yum. And last but definitely not least is the glitteriest thing I think I have ever seen Lush release. And I am really scared to get it out, but you know, I am going to have to, obviously. I'm just going to try and wedge it in my hands. Oh God, it's going to melt. Okay, let's just bite the bullet. Let's just pick it up. Okay, this is the Golden Pear Body Scrub. The glitter on this is literally ridiculous. It is caked in glitter. Ingredients wise in this one, we have fine sea salt, cocoa butter, cream of tartar, popping candy, coarse sea salt, cardamom oil, orange oil, pear oil. Let's smell it. It smells like the classic Pear fragrance, Pear soap, Pear... Was there a bath bomb? I think there might have been, or a bubble bar. It's really, really nice. Fruity. Obviously it's like pear-like, but it's not really like a pear smell. Does that make sense? Like it's not a pear drop smell. It's like as if you've cooked pears, you know? Really good though. But the glitter on this is literally making me uncomfy, so I'm just going to pop that down. Do you see what I mean? And I don't have a towel. Okay, let's just use the packing peanuts because I feel like, oh, this is just spreading it. Okay, let's just on the jeans, let's just sacrifice the jeans because they need to go in the wash anyway. So lovely. So that is everything for the Lush kitchen box for November. Let me know your thoughts and opinions down below as always. I am absolutely in love with this box. Firstly, I couldn't believe the Yog Nog body conditioner. Delicious. But the fact that we got the perfume as well is incredible because I love Yog Nog. The smell of Yog Nog is pure Christmas deliciousness and I am obsessed with it. So this box instantly gets a 10 points from me. I mean, you got 1, 2, 3, 5 items. I feel like when the box has 6 items, it's a little bit more of a luxurious treat, do you know what I mean? And maybe we could have done with something small, like a little bubble bar or even like a bath melt or something. However, this box still gets a 10 out of 10 from me because I am absolutely impressed with it and I love everything. So yeah, that's my thoughts and opinions. Let me know yours down below. Obviously, as always, if you haven't subscribed already to my channel, please make sure you do. I am so close to 10,500 of you, which is insane. So if you haven't subscribed, make sure you do. I love you guys so much and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.